Gotcha. Hey, big guy.
I just feel like he's coming for my job.
He's always taking things off my hands, sometimes literally.
Oh, I love them. Easy to adopt, quick to adapt, software development, analytics, R&D. It's like he collects all the hard stuff, and we just seem that much more seamless.
Seamless.
We seem slow.
Ever since SHI brought him in, corporate keeps calling this the reboot, but we're all still here.
Why am I still here? Al, you think you're gonna take my...
Oh, easy mistake. It's an I, not an L. I don't replace intelligence, I accelerate it.
Oh, you hear that, Pete? Now you can catch up to me.